Hello everyone, welcome back to Playwright from Zero to Hero. I am your instructor Mahesh Patil. In this class, I will be talking about the JavaScript Fundamental Module. We will cover the basic of JavaScript programming. If you are new to JavaScript or TypeScript or have no previous programming experience, I recommend completing this module first to get comfortable before diving into Playwright lessons. For those with previous JavaScript or TypeScript experience, you can skip this and move to the next module where we begin with the Playwright work. Here is the quick overview of what we will be covered. We will be covering installation of Node.js and creating the Hello World application. Also, we will understand the variable constants and data types. We will cover a concept of concatenation, interpolation, and how to handle strings. We'll also cover the objects and arrays, and we will be covering operators, different operators like equality operator, comparison, and logical operators. We will then move to conditional statements and loops for driving into the flow of execution. We will also introduce to JavaScript functions and classes and methods. And finally, we will be covering the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript. So by the end of this model, you will have a solid foundation of programming of JavaScript or TypeScript. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.